So right now I'm going to have some like 5 p.m. like some dinner. You can say like a brunch. So I'm looking for some halal. I'm in the Jalan India. A lot of shop, too many nice shop, and I will be looking for some more dresses out here. I'm doing some shopping. So yeah, it's very cheap. I will be buying some more clothes. Wow, I found some clothes here. I think I will be looking later. So I'm looking for the food because I'm hungry. I'm quite hungry. That's why I'm looking for the food. I'm just trying to see can I find some good food or not. That is our question. Can I find some? I'm looking for some roti. Can I? Let me see. What else I can buy? Let me see because I'm quite hungry. So I think here is good. So let me just have some meal. I'm at here at this. So I'm going to have some Rabia. We are ready or what happened? Okay. So you can see there's a lot of red food out here. I think this is what I ordered. I'm also really quite hungry to be honest with you. Amazing food, amazing people. This one sweet?
Sweet.
Okay, one this one.
Okay.
And two tectaric
Okay.
and some cold drink.
Good drinks.
What you have? Something
Ice.
ice, yeah, ice.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Same hot. Ice.
What is this? What have cold?
I got sushi. Something no.
No. What is good cold?
Okay. Next one. Milo.
No Milo.
Only. This copy.
No.
Okay. Ni copy. Done.
Give me
Syrup.
syrup cold.
Gold. Gold.
Cold.
Okay.
And one cold milk tea.
Black tea.
Two hot, two cold. Two hot milk tea, one syrup and one. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
One hot. Two
Yeah.
hot.
Yeah.
One. Ice.
With ice.
Third one.
With ice.
Need two.
Two hot, one cold milk tea and one syrup.
Okay.
Thank you. So this is the food which we ordered. Let me see how he's gonna make. So this looking quite nice to be honest with you. I think it will look good when we eat. So that's how they, they make it. Brother, what is this called? I forgot the name. Nasi goreng pataya. Oh, thank you, brother. Nasi goreng pataya. So the drinks are ready, right? So two hectares, one hot cold tea, and then one syrup. So I'm really liking the food. It's quite nice, you know. I'm feeling hungry to be honest with you after looking at it. I'm really feeling hungry. Thank you. Rabia, come. Rabia, eat first. Eat first, okay? Eat first. Take this one. Thank you. Eat first, okay? eat first.
जितना तेज चला रही थी ऊपर से गुजर भी जा रही थी पता नहीं चल रहा था वैसे
So, Rabi, you're gonna eat and tell us how it tastes.
This looks so delicious. Let me try it.
How it tastes, tell us.
Mmm. Amazing.
It's tasting good.
Yeah, I think this is the first one I like the most.
Really?
Yes.
Do bismillah. Thank you, sir. It's okay, quite nice. Okay, let us finish and then we continue.
This is so delicious.
It's a very nice area out here.